You're sitting in a dealership. It's been 2 hours. You're exhausted. And the guy slides the paper across the table. $497 a month. And weirdly, that number feels okay. Because it's not $30,000. It's not $40,000. It's just $500. So you say yes. And that's the moment you make a six-figure mistake. Not 500 a month. 6 figures. Because here's the part nobody tells you. That 500 payment isn't just a payment. It's interest, depreciation, and the money you never invested. And when you stack those together, that 500 a car quietly turns into something closer to 1,500 to 2,000 per month in lost wealth. And the worst part? You don't feel it. There's no alert, no warning, just slow, invisible damage. Let's make this real. If you take $500 a month and invest it instead of sending it to a car payment, at 8% returns. After 10 years, $91,000. After 20 years, $295,000. After 30 years, over $700,000. That's not just a number. That's the difference between retiring and working into your 60s. And here's the part nobody explains to you. You don't make this decision once. You repeat it. Every 5, 6, 7 years. New car, new payment, same cycle. No one explains it this way at the dealership, because if they did, you wouldn't sign. And that's how a normal decision turns into $300K to $500K plus in lost wealth. Let me show you what this actually looks like. 2 people, same income, Brad and Morgan. Brad buys the nicer car, $500 a month, totally manageable. Morgan buys something reliable. No payment. Instead, Morgan invests that same $500. 6 months in. Brad doesn't feel it yet. The car is new. Everything feels fine, but then real life starts stacking up. Insurance hits, gas maintenance. One random Tuesday, Brad opens his bank app, $200 left, and it's not even the end of the month. Morgan doesn't think about it because that $500 is gone automatically into investments. Fast forward 10 years. Brad has a car worth maybe $10, $15K, and nothing from those payments. Morgan, $91,000 invested. Now stretch that out to 20 plus years. And that gap becomes life-changing. And here's the uncomfortable part. Brad didn't make a bad decision. He made a normal one. And normal is what's keeping people stuck. This is why people feel behind. It's not always income or discipline. It's decisions like this. Because that $500 payment doesn't just take your money. It kills momentum. You can't invest consistently. You can't build a real safety net. You can't take risks. Because the payment is always there. It's not just expensive. It's limiting your entire life. If this is clicking for you right now, this is exactly what this channel is about. Breaking down the decisions that quietly cost people money. So the real question isn't, can I afford $500 a month? The real question is, what is this $500 costing me long term? Because every dollar you lock into a payment is a dollar that's not compounding. If you take one thing from this, when your car is paid off, don't upgrade. Take that same payment and invest it automatically. Because this is where most people reset the cycle and start over. And this is the moment that determines whether you build wealth or stay stuck. 650 end. That $500 car payment, it's not just a car, it's a trade. Between something that loses value and something that could have changed your life. If that hit different, stick around. This is about catching the expensive mistakes before they compound.